What up, YouTube? We're gonna try to get the rest of this paint off this VIRAGO tank. So I got 400 grit sanding pad. I've already tried to use chemicals on it, but a lot of that's not coming off. So let's get to sanding it. So it looks like it's working, it's lasting. It's just gonna take a minute, so let's do it. I'm not putting much pressure on it. I'm just letting the tool do the work. All right, I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, after sanding, now it's starting to bubble up when I put some citrus strip on it. This stuff works great. This stuff works really good for stripping these tanks and getting paint off things. So I'm gonna spray it again. We're just getting a coat on it. Same thing with this tank for the Honda. So the Honda, YAMAHA. I'll come back after it's done and show you what it looks like. What up, YouTube? Here we go. They've been sitting all night after I sanded off whatever that top layer was. You can see all of this paint's coming off. I'm gonna grab the pressure washer. We're gonna pressure wash these off. See how much paint's still on them. Then we'll put some primer on them to protect them from rust. So let's get to it. All right, let's do it. More water. There's one. Little bit of sandpaper on the edges. That one's ready for sure. Let's do this other one. You see that pressure washer takes almost all that paint off after it's been soaking. If you have a better pressure washer, probably get it even better. All right, I'll come back when I'm dried them, and then we'll put some paint on them, and then they'll be ready. Okay, now that we got them clean, we just need to put a light coat of primer on it, just so it doesn't start rusting on us. It doesn't take much. We're just trying to seal it. If I got enough primer. All right, there's one. Now we'll seal up this one too. And the good thing about the primer, once we start sanding on it, we'll be able to see where all these little imperfections are. But there we go. Stick with us, and then to the next episode.